Hello everyone, my name is Prakash Matani and welcome to Learn and Tech. Today I'm going to talk about how you can create transparent navigations for your HTML and CSS project or for your web pages. So this is what my transparent navigation look like. So this kind of transparent navigation I want to create where there's a background image over there, and over the background image I'm creating a transparent navigation by which we can also see our background image, and plus there is a navigation working on, and when I over all these menus over here, the color and the background changes. So how we can create that? Let's go in my code section. So this is my HTML file that I have created, and in the linked section I have created a CSS file, global.css, and I have linked that CSS file, and that CSS file is right now blank. So first of all, what I need to create in a CSS file is I'm putting asterisk and I'm setting up margin 0 and padding 0. That means all the element in my entire HTML code will have the default margin and padding 0. So what I have to do now is, in a body section I'm creating a class that is bg-img, and I'm going to save this, and the same class I'm going to create here. I'll just copy this class, paste in my CSS file here, and what I'm gonna put here is I'm gonna create a background for here. I'll include a background image here, and that background image reside in my this. So this is my index.html, and here my images reside. So what I have to do now, I have to just type images because my images are here, and after that I'm putting this particular image banner1.jpg. so that will be banner1.jpg, right? And my image will be by default non-repetitive, so I'm putting no repeat there. So let's now check in browser how it's looking like. When I go there, there is no image showing up here. I'll have to check what's wrong there. Okay, I have included comma instead of dot. Still my image is not showing up here, so I'll have to see what's wrong with this particular image class. Okay, let me just do it again. I'll put no repeat here. Now we'll check. So now the image is over there, but the entire image is not coming up here. So what I have to do now, I have to set a background size, a property over there, and I have to just make it 100%, so the entire image will come up in the screen like this. So now this is done. Now what I have to do, I have to create a div section, and I'll put this div class called Nav Container. Alright, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just provide the width of this particular nav container as 100%, and height is what I need for my navigation, that is 50 pixel I'm putting up here, and the background color I'm setting up here is hashtag, that means white. We'll see now that there is a nav container coming up here. And now what I need to do, I need to create an unordered list here now, and after that I need to create some allies, and I'll put some navigation name here like home, about, product, services, and contact us. If I refresh my page, you can see that there is all things coming up here in the black font. So what I will do, I'll create a class in my UL section and will put this class name just Nav, and I'll go in my CSS, and what I'm gonna do is ul.nav. That means this is for unordered list style, and this is for all li tag I have created. So what I will do that I will just put the width is auto, and height will be our 50 pixel, and so I'm not gonna put any background over here. So what I'll do that now, for every li I'll put width is around 150 pixel and height will be around 50 pixel. Right now we'll see that, and of course the display will be our inline block because we want to show up in a horizontal manner. So all the thing are coming up here. So first of all, let me just change the color of this particular navigation, that is just double F. So now you can see that the div we have created, this navigation container, is coming up here, and after that all these things are just down there. So what I need to do is, now I have included BG image on body tag. So what I'll do that, I'll make my body tag position is relative, and after that for navigation container I'll make it absolute, and also for my UL I'll make it position absolute. So now you can see that the text from here is goes, and because here we have to change the color, and you can see now all things are coming up here, right? One thing to see that all the text are coming on the top of the menu, we have to bring it on the middle. So what we need to do, in the li section we will create a line height same as we have the height, that is our 50 pixel, and you'll see that text coming up in the middle. And now what I have to do, I have to make this navigation transparent. So what I'll do that, for my navigation container, that means this is our navigation container, I will make opacity 0.5. You'll see that how it goes on. Now you can see that how your navigation look like. That's what we want, the way we want it, right? And there is few things I need to do now is, first of all, in the li section I will make text align center, and I'll change the color of text also to white, and this is how your navigation look like now. So when I hover on the element, there is no effect right now. So how we can achieve that, I'll just copy this my li class, and I'm going to just paste it down there, and on the li, every li hover, I have to change the background color. So background will be like this. So if you go there, you can see that your background color is getting changed. And now what I want, when I hover on the particular element, the background color change, but the text color remains same. So I can change the text color also, and here I'll make the color of text that is black. So now if you hover, your background color change, also your text color change in the home. So this is how you can create transparent, beautiful navigation, and just few line of code. There is nothing rocket science over there, just few line of code and you are done with that. Please let me know if you are facing any issue on this particular navigation creations, and this very easy and simple navigation you can create, and there is a lot of other stuff to do. We'll talk about in our next tutorials. Let me know in the comment sections, do you like the video or not. Thank you so much.